Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and after almost 6 months I'm back again to take you to one of the most famous states of Northeast India called Sikkim. Sikkim, the only state with the highest peak in the country and third highest in the world called Kanchenjunga. Actually, I was supposed to visit Sikkim in spring season, but due to second wave of COVID, my plan was halted and I had to postpone it. But you know, it's never too late, and finally I'm here to show you the real beauty of Eastern Himalaya. मैं सिक्किम में ऑलमोस्ट 3 वीक्स के लिए आया हूँ और मेरी पहली जर्नी गैंगटॉक से स्टार्ट होगी. And just like my previous series on Andaman, this series of Sikkim will also have one last video which will be an informational video in which I will discuss all about how you can plan your visit to Sikkim, what all permissions are required and what all precautions you have to take to visit North Sikkim. तो ये सब आपको details मेरे last video में मिलेंगी इस series. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel. तो आज मैं आपको गैंगटॉक का एक शॉर्ट टूर कराऊंगा जिसमें आई विल लिस्ट आउट ऑल द प्लेसेस विच यू कैन विजिट वाइल यू आर इन गैंगटॉक, एंड आई थिंक वन डे इज मोर देन एनफ इफ यू वांट टू डू साइट सीइंग इन गैंगटॉक. आई विल ऑल्सो मेंशन फ्यू प्लेसेस विच आर बिट ऑफ आइसोलेटेड एरियाज सो दैट यू कैन गो एंड विजिट और आप वहाँ पे आप टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी जो इस लोकेशन पे हूँ मैं, इस जगह का नाम है रांका करके. तो रांका में क्या है, जनरली यू डोंट हैव एनी साइट सीइंग्स, देयर आर ओनली कपल ऑफ थिंग्स हियर टू सी, बट दिस प्लेस इज लाइक आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम the main city. If you are a person who want to spend some time in the kind of like a village and paddy fields, and if you want to know the culture of the Bhutia, if you want to interact with any of the Bhutias or Lepchas, so this is the place where you find most of the Bhutias and Lepchas. तो अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ, आपको मैं गैंगटॉक के बारे में कुछ प्लेसेस बता देता हूँ.
First in the list is MG Marg. This street that you are seeing is a tourist hotspot as it has numerous cafes, restaurants and bars. This street offers you with an amazing cuisines such as local, oriental, continental, and not to mention several budget hotels, and it is situated right in the heart of the city. Next in the list is Ganesh Talk. Ganesh Talk is a temple dedicated to Lord Ganesh, and it's famous for stunning view of whole Gangtok city.
नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर है गैंगटॉक रोपवे. तो गैंगटॉक रोप में आपको क्या होगा, एक गैंगटॉक का एक देवराली करके जो एरिया है उसका पूरा व्यू मिलेगा. तो बेसिकली आप जो देख रहे हो ये एक्चुअली आपका बर्ड आई व्यू देता है. आप अगर ट्रॉली में बैठते हो या नीचे जाते हो, इसका कॉस्ट समवेयर अराउंड आपको साइड 170 कुछ पड़ता है टू एंड फ्रो का.
गैंगटॉक रोपवे के पास ही एक व्यू पॉइंट है जिसको नामनांग व्यू पॉइंट कहते हैं. Namnang viewpoint is known for its breathtaking views of gigantic mountains covered with lush green trees, and the river stream at the foothill of the mountain adds to the beauty of complete panorama. Other place is Rumtek Monastery. It is one of the oldest monasteries in Sikkim. Apart from Rumtek Monastery, there are several other monasteries that you will find in Gangtok, and among those, one such important monastery is Ranka Monastery, well known by name Lingdum or Zurmang Monastery. According to few locals, it is the biggest monastery of Sikkim due to its huge complex area which is said to spread across 21 acres, but it is not recognized as biggest monastery as it does not hold historical significance.
And there are other places like Namgyal Institute of Tibetology, which is basically a museum, Tashi viewpoint, Kanchenjunga viewpoint, and you will find a lot of other several monasteries here in Gangtok. So in Gangtok you don't have anything much to do, so one day is more than enough. If you are taking a package from a cab, they will show you in and around Gangtok. And apart from that, if you want to spend couple of days in a peaceful area, then Ranka is the place which is my recommendation. In Ranka basically you don't find many houses, and there are like several farm stays, hotels and home stays which you can inquire. बट हाँ, रांका में आपको ये चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा रेस्टोरेंट्स नहीं हैं, तो हो सकता है आपको बहुत ज़्यादा चलना पड़े. तो इसलिए आपको ऐसे होम स्टेज या होटल्स चूज़ करने हैं जहाँ पे आपको 3 टाइम का खाना मिल जाए. जैसे आपको ब्रेकफास्ट मिल जाए, वहीं पे लंच मिल जाए, वहीं पे डिनर मिल जाए. हो सकता है आपको कॉस्टली पड़ेगा, बट देन इट इज़ फाइन. आप जब रांका आओगे तो यहाँ पे आप 2 चीज़ दे सकते हो, एक रांका मोनेस्ट्री और एक बन झाकरी फॉल्स. बट बन झाकरी फॉल्स इज क्लोज्ड राइट नाउ ड्यू टू सम कंट्रोवर्शियल रीजंस, सो देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी व्हेन यू विजिट रांका यू माइट नॉट बी एबल टू सी बन झाकरी फॉल्स. बेसिकली रांका से यू कैन सी द होल Gangtok. You can see the whole Gangtok city. Ranka is also part of Gangtok, but ये आपका थोड़ा दूसरे साइड में पड़ जाता है. And if you're coming to place like Ranka, you love to see the paddy fields here.
While I was strolling around the place and capturing aerial footage, a kind person climbed towards me from downhill and started a conversation. And he was so happy to see me shooting videos of his place, he took out time from his busy schedule and offered me a ride and took me to some offbeat locations around it, which was not possible without him.
हाँ
नीचे जाके उस तक है.
He took me to some spots like his own paddy fields, Love Dara, a waterfall, and some other spots. Also, in Ranka, you can even do paragliding, which has its takeoff site in Anigompa, but its office is located 1 kilometer away from Banjhakri Falls. The reason I visited Ranka was because I wanted to know more about the local culture and explore some of the offbeat places around Ranka. While talking to locals, I also got to know that humans settled in this area quite a long time ago, and some evidences of early settlement are these houses here, which are like 100 years old. Also remember, whenever you're coming to such places, make sure you take the permission from the house owners or the private property owners before entering into any of these private areas. When you are in Sikkim, in most of the places you will notice these white flags. These white flags are generally known as Daja.
Yes, I found something. भैया मैं यहाँ पे जा सकता हूँ, जस्ट एक व्यू लेना है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ये प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी है क्या आपका? ओके, थैंक यू. So I got the permission, and this is I think looks like kind of a cafe under construction, a restaurant or something. These are kind of places which you won't find in any of the tourist destinations and all. All you have to do is explore. Come to the places like these and explore. Now here is this whole view of Gangtok. Amazing. तो गैंगटॉक में और ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, और मैं आपको ज़्यादा चीज़ें दिखा नहीं पाया बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ टाइम ऑफ कोविड एंड दे हैव क्लोज डाउन लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस एंड मे बी इन कपल ऑफ मंथ्स दे आर गोइंग टू ओपन अप अगैन. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट अबाउट वेयर यू कैन स्टे हियर एंड वेयर यू कैन ईट हियर. सो बेसिकली देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड कैफेज अवेलेबल इन MG Marg. तो MG Marg में if you want to try authentic Nepali food, then there's a one place called Nimto restaurant where you can have thakali thali. Apart from that, if you want to try Tibetan food, I found there's a cafe called a Local Cafe where you can have Tibetan cuisine like laughing, hummus, wrap and all.
If you're willing to try thukpa, chow mein, momos, etc., then you will find restaurants and stalls with oriental food everywhere. Other point to notice, you will find very less restaurants that will offer North or South Indian food. This street is Lal Market. It is local market which is situated next to MG Marg. You can visit this place if you want to buy local items or souvenir. इसके अलावा आपको रहने के लिए यहाँ बहुत होटल्स या होमस्टेज मिल जाएंगे. If you are a person traveling solo, then I would recommend you to stay in hostels, as staying in hotels might become costlier. But if you are traveling as a couple or family, then I would suggest you to stay in hotels or homestays.
Alright guys, that was all from Gangtok. So I'll see you in my next video. So stay safe, stay healthy. Make sure when you come here, you do not litter the place. Do subscribe to my channel if you have liked this video. Bye bye.